In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable VM Insights, which is Azure Monitor's VM-level monitoring for Azure virtual machines. VM Insights is a valuable tool within Azure Monitor that's designed to collect performance data from your virtual machines, specifically focusing on essential aspects like CPU, memory, disk, and network performance. It's a comprehensive feature that goes beyond just basic metrics, offering optional process and dependency mapping to give you deeper insights into your virtual machine's ecosystem. When you enable VM Insights, it automatically deploys the Azure Monitor agent inside your virtual machine and utilizes data collection rules, or DCRs, to determine exactly what data should be collected. There's also an option to install a dependency agent to provide a map view, which shows your machine's connections, processes, and dependencies, offering a visual representation that can be quite invaluable. To get started, you'll need to navigate to your virtual machine in the Azure portal. Once you're there, look for the VM's left side menu, and under Monitoring, you'll want to click on Insights. If VM Insights isn't already enabled for your virtual machine, you'll be greeted with a description of the service along with an Enable button. Click that Enable button to proceed. Enabling VM Insights will prompt you to configure the monitoring settings for your virtual machine. At this point, you'll need to choose or confirm a Log Analytics workspace. If you already have an existing one, you can simply select that. If not, it's time to create one. Next, you'll create a Data Collection Rule, or DCR, for your virtual machine. By default, this DCR will collect basic performance metrics to give you a good starting point for monitoring. If you're looking to gain even deeper insights, there's an option to enable processes and dependencies, often referred to as MAP, within the DCR. This enables the collection of extra data specifically aimed at dependency mapping, offering those more intricate insights into your virtual machine's operations. Once you've specified your preferences, you'll need to name the DCR and other relevant settings, then save or create the configurations. After configuring these settings, Azure will take over and start installing the necessary components. It will first install the Azure Monitor Agent extension on your virtual machine to facilitate data collection. If you've chosen to enable the map features, it will also install the Dependency Agent extension. Once everything is set up, the data collection will begin, adhering to the parameters you've specified in your DCR. This setup process may take a few minutes, so a bit of patience is needed. Once everything is onboarded and functioning, you can start viewing performance metrics and, if enabled, the map view directly through the VM's Insights page. These tools provide a robust and granular understanding of how your virtual machine is performing, enabling you to monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize as necessary.